In 60 seconds I'll show you how to find downloaded files on an iPhone. First, open the Files app from your home screen. Tap Browse at the bottom to see locations like iCloud Drive and On My iPhone. Look for a Downloads folder under iCloud Drive or On My iPhone. If you don't see it, swipe down and use the search bar to type Downloads. Tap a file to preview it, or long press to share, delete, or move it. To find Safari Downloads, open Safari and tap the Downloads icon in the address bar. This opens the downloads list with recent files and their locations. Tap the magnifying glass or folder icon next to a file to reveal its folder in Files. Alternatively, swipe down on the home screen and search the file name in Spotlight. In Files, tap Select, choose Files, then move to organize them into folders or iCloud Drive. That's it. Now you can find, preview, and organize downloads on your iPhone. Try it now.